smiling robot.
There is a real epidemic in the city. A lot of people went to the hospital because of poisoning. The reason is still unknown.
Hi, Handy Andy. Mom asked me to clean the old boxes out of the attic. Can you help me? And then we can go for a walk.
Sure, I'll be there soon. This is the last one.
Great! What is this? This is... What's this?
Let's build and find out.
At least we can try.
Okay, let's start.
Here is a motor. Do you think it will fly?
Well, look, the airflows keep the trike in the air. The motor gives it speed and maneuverability. By the way, you can use different kinds of motors, even from the motorbike. You can go up to 4,000 meters high. But it's cold and not interesting there. It can go up to 70 miles per hour. Let's test it and you will see it for yourself. But we need to hurry. It's very dangerous to fly in a strong wind.
The car will arrive at 4 p.m., so get ready. I hope this time everything will be according to plan.
Okay, sure, boss. Did we let you down? Well, are you ready?
Not sure. It's wonderful.
Around 3 hours, but we need to go down. The wind changed. I think there'll be a thunderstorm.
Oh, I don't feel good.
I think I lost control. I hope we'll not fly far away. Oops!
We are going to crash now.
Hold on, Emmy. How are you, Emmy?
I'm fine. It was a great flight. Where are we?
Good question. Let's look around. One more consignment is ready. However, we need to stop the production or all the people in the city can get sick. I think I know now why so many people are at the hospital. They've been poisoned.
Do you think it's because of Boss and his bandits?
I think we need to tell the police about it.
Thank you so much for choosing our cartoons. We have many more for you to watch. Choose one now.